Honda has confirmed to CD that the final model year for the current generation Accord will be 2022, and this all-new generation will arrive for the 2023 model year. All-new Honda Accord is on its way for the 2023 model year, and from spy photos we can see it will wear a smoother exterior design with thinner headlamps and a full-width rear taillamp assembly. We expect to see the hybrid powertrain become a more significant part of the Accord lineup for this new generation. But it's unlikely to be the only option. Welcome to NoorCars channel. For those of you sedan fans, now we will give you a little information about 2023 Honda Accord. What's new? New Accord. So, what changes are in store for the 2023 Accord? If we use the smaller Civic as a template, we can expect Honda to subtly hone everything that's made the outgoing Accord so great. Literally, just as the newest Civic is based on the previous model, the new Accord will be spun off the current one. That doesn't preclude Honda from heavily restyling the Accord, however, again. Look no further than the 2022 Civic, which looks nothing like its predecessor despite using the same platform. But we also think, given that Honda refashioned the Civic in the Accord's image, that it likes that image and won't change it too much for 2023. To give you an idea of what the next Accord might look like, we've provided the illustrations here. Unlike the Civic, which matured from a wild vented, slatted, increased visage to a cleaner, simpler design that looks vastly more upscale, the Accord already wears a clean, simple design that looks subtly upscale. That means the new model will probably adopt a few details from the Civic, namely its more horizontal shoulder line, squared off front end, and thinner headlights. The outgoing Accord's various curves, arcs, and C-shaped taillights, all holdovers from previous gen Honda design, will be straightened out, removed entirely, or, in the case of the taillights, slimmed down and simplified. Though we haven't rendered the 2023 Accord's interior, again, look for more Civic inspiration to trickle up. The Civic's classy full-width dashboard air vent motif, with a mesh treatment blending the actual air vents into a glamorous strip stretching from door to door, is almost guaranteed. Ditto the Civic's more squared-off switchgear, door handles, steering wheel hub, and more. Again, where the old Accord's door panels and dashboard styling features arcs and swoops, the new one will be predominantly rectilinear. A touchscreen will again float above the dashboard, but look for the current Accord's standard split-gauge cluster to give way to a fully digital cluster across the lineup. The roominess of today's model will carry over to the new one, with perhaps a touch more trunk space carved out of the squarer tail. Same platform, same engines. Today's Accord is relatively lightweight and has a well-sorted suspension that delivers sharp handling, satisfying control feel, and a good ride. Look for minor tweaks here, though the Accord's curb weight likely will increase slightly, as we anticipate Honda will add sound deadening and more features in a bid to quiet the sedan's wind and road noise while upping the luxe factor. Look for the Accord's trio of powertrains to live on for 2023. Albeit with small reworkings for improved fuel economy and power delivery. That means entry-level Accords will retain their turbocharged 1.5-liter i4 engines and continuously variable automatic transmissions, while up-level versions will offer a more powerful turbo 2.0-liter i4 and a 10-speed traditional automatic. Finally, the Accord Hybrid and its 2.0-liter i4 and electric motor combo will return, likely with changes geared toward improving its fuel economy further. Front-wheel drive probably will remain the Accord's lone option. Honda Accord 2023 price. We won't know actual pricing of the new Accord until after the car's official debut, which should happen by the end of 2022. But our prediction: the price for new 2023 Honda Accord start at $30,000. Thank you for watching this video.